He's dancing with it. He's trying to catch it. He's never gonna get it. Worked it out. New favorite toy.